Let's go for the. These are some examples from that one. Okay, I would like some like blockbuster examples how they work it. Okay, so it's a digital movie, especially site over there. So you can see some movies which are blockbusters over there. TV.com, rewatch the service for dramas like Netflix. Okay, so some of the drama serials you can see on the Netflix as well. It's available. So the streaming intermediary DGB is like intermediation between the suppliers and the consumer. That how you can be linked between the supplier and consumer. You are not the supplier and you are not the consumer. You are the middleman in it. So it can be like digital movies. So streaming basically are digital movies, digital dramas, digital news as well, digital music and digital games over there. Just like we talk about PUBG games, where they are like online, not offline, where you can play with your Facebook friends with that. So your Facebook friends are added with you on the Facebook, and then you can play games like Call of the Duty and the PUBG games. So
And there is some websites like Blackbuster, which is digital movies and special sites. You can download it from it, and also TV.com, which is rewatch the service for dramas. And there is some website you can download from it, which is download intermediary digital good business. It's exacting digital good download service. For example, digital music and digital movies. And the website, there is two websites, which is download dant and download.com. The first one for special music, and also second one it's upload or download site.
okay, right. Torrent is a download intermediately, or is a streaming one. So is it the download? It's streaming download. It's streaming intermediary, or it's a download intermediary.
Download intermediary, doctor.
So there is no streaming option in it.
I don't think so, doctor. I'm not sure about it.
Okay. So yeah, the torrent is best when there you don't have a good internet, so you can download it. Okay. Maybe it takes like 2 or 3 hours from you, but in the net when you have like a good internet connection, so Netflix is more better, I think. So Netflix is streaming or downloadable. Can you download from the Netflix as well?
No.
Only streaming.
Yes, doctor.
Okay.